Hi guys, this is how you literally make a fidget spinner. Step 1. For any gaff thing. Black pick for gaff. But not too long. And then what the heck are you singing? Stop singing like ha 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 ha. Okay, yes, to gaff. Like my goat. To gaff. Or any gaff, not too long. And then put your black chair. Not a little bit of black, all black. Like this. And then you have to have your magnet. If you don't have a magnet, you'll be sad. Oh wait. Literal is a literal, not scam. Literal, not scam.
It's not clickbait.
It's not click.
I seriously see it.
Yes, it's literally not clickbait.
But you need to grab all. But you need to get all of them.
Yes, I know, Yuka.
It's pretty much hard to remember.
Yes, but you can.
You can watch it on his.
And then look.
Yeah.
Like you have to press the red thing.
Wow.
Yes, you have to press the red thing like that. That's how you became a fidget spinner.
And also you die in a second when you go up.
Yep.
Or down.
Yup. Anywhere. Make sure like and subscribe.
Yes,
it will kill you.
he has a little bit subscribe. Just help him reach to 20 subscribe. 20 or like 10 subscribe.
Yes, but
He's homeless.
Yes, but
He's a homeless
mine says have more
subscriber.
subscribers than me.
I have like 73 subscribe.
Yes. So goodbye.
Yes.
Yes, queen.